Hi guys! Welcome back! Jigs here! Another day and another vlog tayo ngayon, and for today's video ay gagawa tayo ng steamed banana cake. So, let's start! The ingredients for our steamed banana cake are very simple. We need the 4 medium bananas, mas overripe, mas okay. And then babalatan lang natin yung banana para mamash natin ng mabuti. You can use the fork or tinidor para i-mash yung banana. Kung wala naman kayong ganito, pwede talaga yung tinidor. Just make it sure lang na na-mash natin ng mabuti yung bananas. And then after that, i-add lang natin yung 2 large eggs. And also 1/4 cup of vegetable oils or any kind of oil. And then drop of vanilla extract or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And after that, i-mix lang ng mabuti yung ating wet ingredients. And for our dry ingredients, we just need to prepare 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and also 1/2 cup of brown sugar. You can also add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. After that, paghaluin lang yung dry ingredients. And for the butter, we need to mix the dry and wet ingredients. Iwasan lang natin ang overmixing para hindi maging dense yung butter, para maging fluffy yung kalalabasan ng ating banana bread. And now our next step is ililipat lang natin yung butter sa baking pan. Tapos kung wala namang parchment paper, pwede tayong gumamit ng oil. I-grease lang natin ng oil yung pan para hindi dumikit yung bread mamaya. And then, itap lang natin yung baking pan para masiksik yung butter. And then, after that, i-ready na natin yung steamer at magpakulo na tayo ng tubig. Steam lang natin for 30 minutes in a low to medium fire. And voila! After 30 minutes, luto na yung ating banana bread. So, iti-test natin kung luto na siya gamit ang ating fork Kapag wala nang sumama, ibig sabihin naluto ng maayos yung banana bread. At pwede rin palang gumamit ng toothpick pang test kung luto na talaga yung cake. For now, isi-set aside muna natin siya para lumamig. At ayun, meron tayong masarap at fluffy na steamed banana cake. At ayun na nga guys for our taste test. Sobrang fluffy at sobrang lambot ng ating banana bread. Sobrang bango din niya at masarap. So hanggang dito na lang yung ating for today's video. Thank you for watching guys. See you later. Bye!